to Animal Kingdom, walking through the jungles of Port Orleans Riviera Resort. That's not right. On our way to Animal Kingdom, we must first traverse the jungles of Port Orleans Riverside Resort. We're just 6 minutes away and we're going to, our goal is to be there for early entry. We left later than expected, which was my doing. When we last talked about it, our plan was to do Flight of Passage first, because the last time we did it, was the last time we did it the first time we did it? The last time we did it was the first time we did it, and we waited in line for 3 hours because it had just opened, and that was insane. But Animal Kingdom today feels like the first time, and we're gonna have a fun day. I'm so excited. We're gonna use our magic bands for the first time. And there's a squirrel. Look, our first animal encounter. A squirrel. We just finished Avatar, Flight of Passage, and this time we waited. We were trying to calculate it. We checked the time when we started and got in line, but then we forgot to check the time when we actually got on our Banshees. But I think we determined it was between 35 and 40 minutes, but it felt like a very short wait. It didn't feel like excessively long at all. Right now we're just walking around Pandora a little bit because last time we really rushed through it. So just taking our time, no rush. So early entry success, got right on to Flight of Passage, and now we're gonna keep walking around the park. Look at his long arms. Look, he's doing dead hangs. He's probably got a really good spinal health. Which dinosaur is that? Christian is watching listening to Jurassic Park on audiobook right now. So he should be a dinosaur expert, but apparently not. Is that true? Is she coming over here? Of course I want a picture with Daisy. Okay. You're so cute. Love the onesie. Adorable. Oh, congratulations.
The study of fossils began over 150 years ago.
Dentro del vehículo. Vigilen a sus niños.
Really? What were the last things we did since I checked in? So we've done Expedition Everest, and we've done Dinosaur. We've walked around some shops, and now we are sitting at Nomad Lounge to have something to eat, and it's 10:37. Christian and I have this running joke because after we got married, we got these buttons, and we went to Disney with our friends. It was our friend's birthday, so she had a birthday button. We had the Just Married buttons. And everyone would say happy birthday to her, but they wouldn't say anything to us. And it's just so funny. But today, a lot of characters have been saying congratulations, cast members, like a lot of people. But just now we walked in to sit down at Nomad Lounge, and we had our buttons on, and the woman didn't say anything about it. And then the couple right behind us walked up, and she goes, "Oh, congratulations!" And we just looked at each other, and it was funny. But everything on the menu sounds good, allegedly, and we're gonna have a snack or a little breakfast, lunch. I don't know. I'm pretty hungry, so we'll see. I think they have gluten-free churros here, so if they do, I'm going to be eating 10 orders of this.
Birds like pink-backed pelicans are what we call an indicator species. Since most birds can fly, it's pretty easy for them to move around. So they tend to be some of the first to leave if something is wrong with their environment. That'll serve as one of the first indications an area may not be as healthy as it could be and needs our help. Someone running around over here, and I say running, because although hippos can swim, they tend to sink to the bottom and they much prefer to run or walk across the river.
Yeah, there's another one over there.
Their little ears. Ooh, look at those gators.
Giraffe are the largest ruminants, and they're also the mammals with the highest blood pressure. We do have a baby giraffe sitting down on our left here. Now, a giraffe will sit when they feel really safe and secure, like out here on the reserve. Most of the time in the wild, though, you almost always see giraffes standing up, even while they are asleep. Keep looking on the left here as we head around the red flamingos, eagle-flies, rhino shrimp, which is abundant beta carotene. What we do know about a rhino's horns, though, is they're made up of keratin. That's the same material as our hair and fingernails.
How you feeling?
Drenched.
We just got soaked on Cali River Rapids. Oh my gosh, my butt is soaked.